Hello, peeps and perps. Welcome to Thailand. Giving you a little informational video here on prescription drugs in Thailand. Okay. When I was in Ho Chi Minh City, that kid that was cleaning the bunks, he wasn't actually cleaning them or changing sheets. He was just spraying disinfectant. Caught me in the face with some disinfectant, and I've had a sinus infection ever since. It's been draining, dripping, making me cough. I mean, it's like I'm blowing my nose like 100 times a day. I took some Benadryl, it didn't help. So I know amoxicillin will. So I went to the pharmacy, and they weren't open yesterday. So I went today, and guess what? They're open. You just walk in, you tell her what you need. Especially if she knows what you're talking about. You know, I just told her, I said, I got a sinus infection, I need some amoxicillin. I said I could either take 250 milligrams 3 times a day or 500 milligrams twice a day. She only had the 500s. So, I said, how much? Guess what? Packet like this of 10, 55 baht. You need 7 days worth. Even if you start feeling better, you got to keep taking it, right? She says, no, you need 10 days. Don't argue with them. Just say, yeah, okay. You know, just don't make them disrespectful. You know, don't be disrespectful to them. Just tell them what you need. You know, 110 baht. You know, what the hell is that? That's like $3.25, and you got your amoxicillin. No doctor. So that's all you do. You walk in, tell them what you need, and they give it to you. See right here, amoxicillin. Now, you don't go in there asking for Percocets, you know, or Vicodin and crap like that. But I mean, if you want a regular penicillin, you could probably got regular penicillin. Just medicine like this, it's simple to get. You just walk in, diabetic medicine, same thing. Just walk in, tell them what you want. Everything's labeled on the counters usually. It's like labeled like this is for coughs and colds, this is for virus infections, this is for whatever, this is for whatever, you know. She even had zithromycin there. If I wanted to spend more money, I could have got the zithromycin. But then she put it in a bag like this, and it says right on there, amoxicillin 500 milligrams, right? 2 of them, that's enough for 10 days, which I only need 7. But there's your informational video on drugs in Thailand, right? Simple process. Now remember, these aren't controlled substances. This is for a cold and sinus infection, okay? But if you know what you need, you just go ahead and tell them what you need. They get it for you. No questions asked. Didn't ask for ID. Didn't ask for nothing. Just rang it up, took the money, put it in this plastic bag, both packs, right? Done. Okay, everybody. See you later on Honey Coast tonight, probably. Just took one, as you can see. I already took the pill. Boom, right there. Popped it out. So I got to take another one today. For the next 7 days, I'll be taking 2 of these. You know? Hopefully, they'll help. If not, I'll have to go back and get something else. You know? But it's cheap. I mean, we're in the United States, you're going to get diagnosed your sinus infection and, you know, get your antibiotics for $3. You know, it's not going to happen, right? Everybody, have a great week, have a great holiday, have a great day.